Sonny, where are we going? Where?
Going to the beach.
No, we're not going to the beach. Do you want to go fishing?
Yeah.
What do you want to catch?
That's a fish.
You want to catch a fish?
Yeah.
What kind of fish?
And the fishing boat.
You want to catch whatever fish you can with the fishing pole? Is that right?
Yeah.
How about a bluegill?
Yeah.
There's another squirrel, Sonny. Look at the cojones on him. Let's find more worms.
I see it, the big tail.
Yeah, see that? See that bass right there?
Yeah.
Super clear. Way deeper than it looked. Worm? Okay, let's try over here. Oh, worm.
Oh, a worm. A worm.
You see another one? Try to catch another one. No, we gotta leave it in a pile here because we're in a park. Try over here. Oh, there's one.
Oh.
This is a hot spot. Let's put it in the bucket. Okay, let's keep looking. Yeah, don't lose it. Are you finding more over there? Are you finding more? Ooh, look what I found.
Ooh.
A grub.
Red.
Put that in the bucket. Put it in the bucket. All we gotta do is wait for that cork to go under.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I don't know if on camera you can see the... Oh, there it is. You wanna reel it in, Sonny?
Mm-hmm.
Reel it in.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, let me see him. Give him to me. Good job. That's a good one, dude. Let's go in the sun and look. Look how pretty he is. Beautiful. Another green sun perch, I think. There's a bass. Man, I wasn't filming. All right, let me take him off.
No, I know take him off.
He can be kind of spiky.
Ooh. Ooh.
Good job, dude. Pretty red eye. Sonny, don't hook me. Look how pretty he is. I think that's a green sunfish.
Oh, look.
Yeah.
Oh.
See his red eye?
Yeah.
Hey, Bob, just go.
Oh. Wow.
What's up?
Yeah. Good job, Sonny. Want to release him?
Oh. Whoop. Ooh. Look at the wawa.
Sonny, here. Here you go. Whenever the cork goes under. Here, whenever it goes under, you can reel in, okay?
Look at the right the worm. What's his worm? What's his
Yeah.
worm? Oh, you got the big worm.
Oh, we got one, Sonny.
Oh,
You want to reel in?
yeah.
Reel it in. Reel it in. Reel it in.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Let's look at him.
Oh.
All right, we saved the bait. Look at that. Cheese. All right, cool.
Can I look?
Good release.
Oh, look at him. Look at him. It's screaming.
That cork. Watch that cork go under.
Oh. What's that fat?
Well, there's a bunch of them down there. The current makes it a little hard. Oh, just got another one, Sonny. Reel it in. Reel it in. Reel it in. Reel it in. Reel it in.
Oh.
Yeah. Cool. Let me get it. I'll take it off the hook.
Oh, Dad, hold that. I hold that.
You want to hold it?
Yeah. I'll hold that. I'll hold that the big down. I'll hold that the big down.
It's not a bluegill, I think. I know it looks just like one, but it's a green sunfish.
Please.
It's got a lot of spikes. You got to go from the forward. Like, hold your hand out.
Yeah.
Hold your hand out up. Okay. Right. I'll put it in your hand. That way it won't spike you. Hold your hand in one spot. Okay. There you go. Good job.
Oh, what is this?
Spiky. Good job. See, yeah, those fins, they're real sharp. But if you come from the forward, they go down. If you come from the back, it'll spike you. Okay, so you always come from the forward. You want to throw them in there? Make sure it's, release them. Go ahead and release them so we can go back. So we don't, ooh, I see that snapping turtle down there.
Yeah. Is that big turtle?
Yeah,
See,
you see him? He's down there somewhere. Sonny, you made a mess here. Oh my goodness. Fishing with a 2-year-old can be challenging. Let's see what we can do. Here. Okay. Hold it right there. Hold it. That one's gonna catch it. Big bass. Reel it in, reel it in, reel it in. Hey, babe. Okay, right there. Right there, yeah, we're catching some. Yeah, we're at Landa. There's a big bass right there. Leave it, Sonny. Dang it. It's going well. Just leave it right there. Wait for that cork to go under. How are you?
I'm good. I was gonna work out and then I got super sleepy, so I laid down for a bit. Just picking up a cow now, though.
Cool.
Y'all staying cool?
Yeah, we're in the shade.
That's good.
All right. I'll call you when we leave. All right. Love you. Bye. Well, and all those fells we can just feed the ducks, huh? Some mallards and some wood ducks coming. Look at those pretty wood ducks. Tell you what, we're crossing the bridge. Are you having fun? Yeah, you look a little bit tired. Going fast? Oh look, we're passing by the spring.
Yeah.
You see any fish? Yeah, we should go there next, huh? Next year we'll be all over that. Landa Park. Look ahead.
Dada, up here.
All right, wave.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo.